Hello everyone and welcome to another video. I'm gonna take this rainy day as a perfect opportunity to show you guys how well this new Meguiar wax works. I just want to say that I'm not paid for by these guys or anything. I'm not sponsored, but I've seen it online and I decided to purchase it and try it out because it's the beginning of the season here in Michigan and I'm running out of waxes. So I said, why not? I'm gonna give this a try. It's a brand new hybrid ceramic wax and whatnot. It's no different than any other spray wax. It's pretty much self-explanatory how they use this. There is an instruction here on the back. I'm not gonna go through it and explain you how they use it. I'm sure all of you guys know how they use this spray on wax. Pretty much just spray it on, wipe it off, and it's a done deal. And the greatest thing about this wax, guys, right here, is this thing goes on anything: plastic trim, chrome, paint, glass, anything, anywhere, and works great. I just want to show you guys this black truck right here. I'm gonna try to zoom in on it. It's waxed with this product about 3 weeks ago. As you can see, the beadings are still extremely good. I mean, look at that, it's amazing. So look at those beads. You can see on a glass that works brilliantly. Side, and yesterday, you guys know that I clay barred my white truck, and I did a quick job with this wax right here. Just spray it on and wipe it down really quick. As you can see, this was from yesterday. The beadings are extremely well. It's a little bit harder to see over here in this white truck. So I'm gonna get close up. You can see the beadings very nicely. And the greatest thing, guys, about this wax, I'm gonna try to come out because it's still raining. I don't want to ruin my camera to do a little walk around here. But the greatest things about this wax, it's very easy to apply it on your vehicle, guys. As you can see, it works extremely well. Look at that. Look at those beadings. Perfect. Back glass. Like I say, these new waxes, guys, it's very easy to apply. It's nothing like back in the day. These paste waxes, you gotta rub them on, let it dry, and wax off. Then if you put some on a plastic trims, it's gonna have a white out and whatnot. This thing, guys, it goes everywhere. You can put it on like I said, on a chrome, plastic, headlights, windshield, anywhere. And as you can see, it works great. Like I said, that truck is 3 weeks. That wax was on it, still performing brilliantly, and this was from yesterday. So thank you very much for watching, guys. This was just a short review on that wax. I do highly recommend it for everybody to try it out, and I'm gonna put the link in the description down below if you wanna check it out and buy one for yourself for your vehicle. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you soon in another video.